Interested in creating multilingual forms? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to enable multi-languages, opening up a world of global possibilities. Let's dive in. Go to the dashboard. Hover over to the desired form. Click the gear button on the top right corner, and select Form Settings. In the window that opens, switch to the Multi-Languages tab. Click on Manage Languages. Select a language from the drop-down. Click Add New Language. Remember, adding a new language won't auto-translate your form. You will need to manually fill in the translations under the Form System Text tab. Form text includes field labels and descriptions. System text covers buttons like Submit. You can also click Export Translation to download an Excel file. Add translations in that file. And then, import your changes to complete the translation. After adding translations, don't forget to check if you're satisfied with them. And then click Save Translation at the top left. Now, let's see how your form looks in different languages. Simply click on the preview address URL. To view the form in different languages, use the drop-down on the top right. And that's it. You've successfully enabled multi-languages for your form, making it easier than ever to connect with a global audience. If you have any more questions, please check our user documentation or the Questions Help Center. For further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy form building with PlatoForms.